Hi, we are here to talk to you today about Rosé ciders, what makes them pink, anthocyanins, adjuncts, and more. What is Rosé cider? Rosé ciders are a new class of ciders looking to capitalize on the rosé wine movement. Recently, the consumer market, specifically millennials, have shifted to pretty pink colored beverages that are light, somewhat sweet, refreshing, and very drinkable, paving the way for rosé wine and now rosé ciders. Unlike their wine counterparts, which are made from variable skin contact of red grapes, rosé ciders are generally made by using various adjuncts to get pink color that is desired. These additives are what give American rosé ciders their color. Some rosé ciders on the market, specifically the ones from France, are made with red flesh apples that give cider its rosy color.
Whether from the apples or from adjuncts, anthocyanins give rosés their pink color. While more commonly mentioned in regards to grapes and the production of wine, anthocyanins are water-soluble phenolic pigments. A natural food colorant, anthocyanins are red, purple, and blue and can be found in many fruits and vegetables. Like other phenolic compounds, they can have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. These color compounds can be influenced by the chemical composition of the juice. However, producers are not always forthcoming with the origins of the rosy hue. We found that most American cider producers lead consumers to believe that the pink color originates from red-fleshed apples. However, other items called adjuncts are snuck in to boost the color. Making our background research even more confusing, of the few studies done on the anthocyanin content specific to rosé ciders, red-fleshed apples weren't even used. Because apple types do not need to be listed, it is difficult to tell which brands do and do not use red-fleshed apples.
Red-fleshed apples were discovered as far back as 1831. The idea of breeding a red-fleshed apple came from the wild apple forests of Kazakhstan, where the apple originated. Redfield, discovered in 1938 in Geneva, New York, by New York State Agricultural Experiment Station, is a cross between Wolf River and Nadiz Wakiana, meant for jelly, blood red cider, or vinegar. It also ripens in October.
Adjuncts are additives that are added to a beverage for various reasons. In the case of rosé cider, adjuncts are used to give the cider its rosé color, along with imparting certain characteristics in the cider. Adjuncts are a great way to lower costs for producers and to tailor a cider to a specific style, like in the case of rosé ciders. On the left, you see various adjuncts used in rosé ciders. These adjuncts are usually added for their color properties, but they also are added for their different aromatic and flavor profiles.
In our very stressful research, we tried 6 different ciders, and in this presentation we included reviews on the 4 we liked best. We evaluated these by sight, through color, clarity, and bubbles, by odor, characterizing both the pleasant and the off aromas, and for taste, mouthfeel, and finish, we examined by weight, texture, astringency, carbonation, and acidity.
Rosé cider, Colfax, California, 5% alcohol by volume. Original Sin, Dry Rosé, New York, 6.5% alcohol by volume. Wolfer, Dry Rose Cider, Bridgehampton, New York, 6.9% alcohol by volume. Woodchuck, Bubbly Blush Rosé Cider, Vermont, 6.1% alcohol by volume.
We found these 3 ciders to be our favorite that we tried.